The digital nomad lifestyle is growing in popularity, and 2025 offers more opportunities than ever to work remotely while traveling the world. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to become a successful digital nomad, from securing your internet connection to managing your mail and choosing the best tools for remote work. Step 1. Secure your internet connection with a portable VPN. A VPN, virtual private network, is essential for digital nomads to protect sensitive information, bypass location restrictions, and maintain privacy. Popular VPN options across different price points. Premium, ExpressVPN. High speed, strong security, and reliable global coverage. Mid-range, NordVPN. Great balance of affordability, speed, and security features. Budget-friendly, ProtonVPN. A free plan available with strong security but limited servers. Key differences. Premium VPNs offer faster speeds and more server locations. Mid-range VPNs balance cost and functionality. Budget options have fewer server locations and may be slower but still offer encryption. Step 2. Use a portable router for a more secure connection. Public Wi-Fi is often insecure. A portable router with an Ethernet port enhances security and connection reliability. Why use your own portable router? Encrypts data, providing extra security. Prevents man-in-the-middle attacks on public networks. More stable connections than public Wi-Fi. Recommended portable routers. Premium, GL.iNet Slate, AX, dual-band Wi-Fi 6. VPN compatibility and multiple Ethernet ports. Mid-range, TP, Link, TL, WE2AC. Compact, dual-band, and travel-friendly. Budget-friendly, GL.iNet Mango, GL-MT300N. Affordable and small, but still supports VPNs. Pocket-sized options. RavPower FileHub. Combines a router with file-sharing capabilities. Netgear Nighthawk M1. A mobile hotspot with an Ethernet port for enhanced security. Step 3. Set up a reliable mailing address. A stable mailing address is crucial for banking, taxes, and personal documents. Options for digital nomads. Virtual mailbox services. Premium. Traveling mailbox. Offers mail scanning, forwarding, and check deposits. Mid-range. Anytime mailbox. Multiple address choices with flexible pricing. Budget-friendly. USPS. P.O. Box. Basic solution, but no scanning services. Key features to consider. Mail scanning and forwarding. Ability to receive packages. Address accepted for official documents. Step 4. Choose the right destination. Consider factors like visa requirements, cost of living, internet access, and nomad-friendly infrastructure. Top digital nomad destinations in 25. Southeast Asia, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Bali. Europe, Portugal, Spain, Georgia, Tbilisi. Latin America, Mexico, Colombia, Costa Rica. Others, Dubai, UAE, South Africa, Cape Town. Step 5. Set up your income streams. Freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal. Remote jobs. Use platforms like Remote.so, We Work Remotely, and Flexed Jobs. Online business. E-commerce, blogging, digital products. Investments. Stocks, crypto, real estate. Step 6. Health insurance and emergency planning. Nomad health insurance options. Safety Wing. Affordable and tailored for travelers. World Nomads. Good for adventure travelers. Cigna Global. Comprehensive international health coverage. Have an emergency fund for unexpected situations. Step 7. Productivity and time management. Use tools like Notion, Trello, and Google Calendar to stay organized. Follow time zone management strategies for remote work. Stay disciplined with a dedicated workspace. Becoming a digital nomad in 2025 is more achievable than ever with the right tools and preparation. Subscribe for more tips on remote work and digital nomad life. Drop your questions in the comments. Where do you plan to go first as a digital nomad?